Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz's exceptional stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us check out a portion of the remarkable elements of Chiliz. Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost acceleration to $0. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. Be that as it may, the presentation of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight rectification. However, later, it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a monstrous convention and contacted 75 cents in April. However, later, it rectified to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. However, later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative strain. In any case, in the wake of hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and as of now, it exchanges around 11 cents. We demand you do your own examination recommending projected most extreme cost, guessed value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. Yearly Chiliz value forecast 2023 to 2030. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of unwavering quality implanted in this money. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Defeating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chiliz crypto cost expectation, the cost of the CHZ token was 11 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ as $33,003,656 and the market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,114 with a coursing supply of 6,718,673,450 CHZ. CHZ coin cost forecast proposes that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz has not soared on the trade, ascending to magnificent. One conspicuous truth that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is setting down deep roots, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout according to our Chiliz cost forecasts. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. Moreover, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024. CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents. Separately, The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chiliz crypto cost forecast. Chiliz value forecast 2025 is per CHZ cost expectation 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other digital currencies to obviously show up at any rate cost of 29 cents and a greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning good faith anticipated for the CHZ cost, essentially because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026. Violating all restrictions north of 2026 would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz forecast, supported by vigorous brilliant agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. Chiliz expectation 2027. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to the CHZ cost figure. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value forecast 2028 out of 2028. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz conjecture 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may handily cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as per our CHZ coin cost forecast 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030 in view of our CHZ cost expectation 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a possible low of 73 cents and a likely high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost variances in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is estimated to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical conjecture cost of 17 cents. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 49 cents in the following 1 year. By 2028, and the normal greatest cost might be around $2.38. According to the Chiliz gauge information examination, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over 2024, Chiliz is supposed to have a base cost of 25 cents. Furthermore, the CHZ cost is equipped for getting a most extreme degree of 31 cents. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was formally sent off in 2019. Despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016 currently in the name and style of socios.com.